Meet the Haitui HD22 Heavy Bulldozer. It weighs 23.5 tons, powered by a reliable Cummins engine with 175 kilowatts, 238 HP strong power, equipped with efficient planetary power shift transmission and stable hydraulic control system. Large 6.4 cubic meters heavy-duty dozer blade brings super pushing capacity. Widened, durable crawler tracks offer great traction on rough, muddy ground. Ergonomic cabin with easy operation, climbing up to 30 degrees safely. High-strength chassis, long service life.